In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Shopify store by adding custom liquid sections. Whether you're a seasoned Shopify veteran or a newcomer eager to delve into more advanced customization, this guide will walk you through the simple modification steps. Let's get started. First, navigate to your Shopify admin panel. Once there, find and click on the Online Store option in the sidebar. This will take you to the Theme section, where all the visual magic happens. Now, click Customize next to your current theme. This opens the theme editor, where you can see all the sections and options available for your storefront customization. In the theme editor, look for the option labeled Add Section and click on it. A list of section types will appear. From this list, select Custom Liquid. This allows you to add and modify liquid code directly, which is Shopify's templating language, providing flexibility in displaying dynamic content. After selecting the Custom Liquid option, proceed to click on Edit Code. This step is crucial as you'll dive into the liquid file to insert or update your custom code. Now navigate to the custom liquid.liquid file. It's in this file where you'll paste your prepared code. Ensure your code is correct and syntactically sound to avoid any unwanted errors. Once the code is pasted, type in the word highlight within the search bar. This is a neat trick to quickly find sections in your code if you're looking for specific tags or identifying snippets to edit. When everything looks good, click Save to ensure all changes are kept securely. Now return to the main menu and hit Save once more to ensure everything is locked in. Navigate again within the Custom Liquid section, specifically to Add Section to Header if you're looking to customize that area. Similar steps can be taken if you want modifications in the template area, as there's an Add Section to Template option as well. Plunge back into Custom Liquid to make any final adjustments or changes necessary. If you need to rename your custom section, click on Rename in the relevant option. Enter the new desired name in the search bar, making it easier to locate and manage in the future. Once you've confirmed all changes and you're satisfied with the setup, click Save again to finalize everything. With these steps completed, your Shopify store now has a new custom look that should better reflect your brand and functionality preferences. Don't hesitate to review these changes on your live store to ensure everything is working smooth and glitch-free. Thank you for following along with today's guide. Be sure to give it a try and watch your Shopify store transform.